Hey everyone, this is SEA Crypto Daily Buzz. Today is Monday, June 29th, 2026, and this channel summarizes the most important crypto news for investors in Southeast Asia. Bitcoin trades around $59,300 after a 6-week slide hit $58,000 on June 26th, the lowest since September 2024. Ethereum is just under $1,570. Fear and greed reads 18. Deep, extreme fear. 3 stories. Vietnam confirms its regulated crypto market launches in the third quarter. Australia hits its June 30th licensing deadline tomorrow, and Bitcoin holds a knife edge as Strategy's market value drops below its own Bitcoin holdings. Story 1. Vietnam's State Securities Commission has confirmed the regulated crypto asset market will launch in the third quarter of 2026. The framework rests on Government Resolution 05 and the Law on Digital Technology Industry, effective January 1st. About 10 securities firms and banks have said they are ready to apply. Providers must be Vietnamese companies with minimum charter capital of 10 trillion dong, roughly $378 million. 65% institutional and foreign ownership, capped at 49%. All trading settles in dong. 6 months after the first license, domestic users on offshore venues face administrative or criminal penalties. Vietnam has roughly 17 million holders and ranks top 3 globally, so licensed venues will compete with offshore platforms most Vietnamese use today. Story 2. Australia's Securities and Investments Commission deadline for digital asset licensing arrives tomorrow, June 30th. Around 400 crypto platforms must hold an Australian financial services license, apply, or become an authorized representative by cutoff. The no-action position expires at midnight. Firms without a license face fines up to 10% of annual turnover and possible criminal penalties. Scope covers stablecoins, wrapped tokens, tokenized securities, and wallets. Australian platforms have served Filipino, Vietnamese, and Indonesian customers through soft regional access for years. Expect tighter onboarding and possible service withdrawals. Run a test withdrawal this week if you hold balances on any Australia-linked venue. Story 3. Bitcoin sits at a knife edge. Strategy. The largest corporate Bitcoin holder saw its market cap fall below its Bitcoin treasury value over the weekend. With the M/NAV ratio dropping under 1.0, roughly 50,000 Bitcoin were moved by short-term holders to exchanges at a loss on June 27th, pushing holder stress to 2-year highs in capitulation territory. A Bitcoin death cross is forming on the daily chart. 6 straight weeks of spot Bitcoin ETF outflows totaling over $6 billion on a 30-day basis confirm institutional demand has stepped back. Hold 58,000 and reclaim 62,000 on a daily close to confirm a bottom. Lose 58,000 and the next support sits at 56,000. Size leverage small until ETF flows flip positive. To summarize today's 3 stories. 1. Vietnam State Securities Commission confirms Q3 2026 regulated crypto market launch with 10 firms ready under $378 million capital floor. 2. Australia, June 30th. ASIC Digital Asset Licensing deadline. Tomorrow, with 400 platforms facing 10% turnover penalty for unlicensed operation. 3. Bitcoin knife edge at 59,300. After Strategy M/NAV drops below 1.0 and 50,000 BTC capitulation confirms 2-year stress high with 58,000 the key level. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want more chart analysis and trading insights, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. See you in the next one.